Namaste students, welcome to your online math class. Today we will learn fraction. Fraction means fraction is a part of whole. It is represent one or more equal parts of a whole object. Fraction is a part of whole. So whole partla or subdivision நம்ம split பண்றோம்னா that is we can call fraction. So how to write means now you see a divided by b. This is நம்ம fraction ஓட structure a divided by b ங்கற way of structure write பண்ண முடியும். This is top. அந்த லைன் ஓட above ல இருக்குறது top below ல உள்ளது bottom. So a by b top is a numerator, we can call numerator. Bottom how to read denominator. That between have the one division line, that is division bar, fraction bar or division bar. Okay, so do you see a by b? A is a numerator, b is a denominator number. So this between have the denominator and numerator, between have the line, we can read division bar or fraction bar. So for example, numerator divided by denominator, that is for example 2 by 3. This is a fraction structure, and 2 by 3 is a one of the fraction number. Okay, type of fraction. First one, unit fraction. Fractions means fraction is a part of a whole number. So some subdivisions have that first one is a unit fraction. Unit fraction means fraction which has one the numerator is a unit fraction. So நம்ம write பண்ற fraction structure every numbers, that means we can write the numbers. The numerator part definitely 1, the denominator is differ, means that structure we can call unit fraction. So numerator 1 ஆவும் denominator something have na, that is called numerator. எப்போதுமே numerator வந்து ஒன்று மட்டுமே இருக்கணும், ஒன்றா மட்டுமே இருக்கணும், டினாமினேட்டர் எதுவானாலும் இருக்கலாம். ஸோ இப்படி இருக்கிற ஸ்ட்ரக்சரை நம்ம யூனிட் ஃப்ராக்ஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். சரியா? தென் another one, like fraction. Like fraction means fractions with the same denominator are called like fraction. So whenever we can call like fraction means fractions with the same denominator. We know that the numerator and denominator, this is a numerator, that is the denominator, correct? So denominator whenever samely have, so that fraction is called like fraction, correct? That fractions called like fractions. Do you understood? Unit fraction means every time that numerator have 1 means that structure we can call unit fraction. Like fraction means same denominator have all the fraction, means that fractions also we can call like fractions. Okay, then another one type, unlike fraction. How to identify unlike fraction? Fraction with the different denominator are called unlike fraction. And we can take 2 or 3 fraction, means that every fractions with the different denominator means we can call unlike fraction. So do you understood? Did you understood? I hope. 1 by 7 3 by 7. This is both same denominator have. So this is like fraction. So denominator same ஆவே இருந்ததுன்னா that fraction is called like fraction. Unlike fraction, whenever we can say means the denominator is stiffer means this you see, this is 2 by 3, this is 5 by 7. 7 is a denominator, this number 3 is a denominator. This both are also totally differ. So differ denominator have means that fractions we can call unlike fractions. Okay. Then another one, proper fraction. So proper fraction means fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator. Do you understood? So we know that the numerator and denominator, this is a numerator, 3 is a numerator number, correct? Denominator 4. So numerator less than the denominator, correct? You check, numerator 3, denominator 4. 3 is less than 4. Okay, 4 oda the denominator number oda numerator number small ah irundhuduna that structure we can call proper fraction. So proper fraction, how to say means numerator is less than the denominator. That structure we can call proper fraction. Okay, can you able to understand, students? Then one more type, improper fraction. Improper fraction, how to identify? You see, a fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. Proper means whenever the numerator is less than the denominator, that is called proper fraction. Improper means numerator is greater than or equal. For example, you see, this is a numerator, 2 is a denominator, correct? So numerator is greater than denominator. Denominator numbers vida numerator numbers bigga irundichina, that structure we can call improper fraction. Otherwise denominator and numerator both also same numbers have equal values have means that structure also called improper fraction. Okay, 4 by 4, 7 by 7, this is a improper fraction. Then 17 by 7, that also improper. Why? This is same numerator and denominator, same element, same numbers there. So that is improper fraction. Okay, the numerator is greater than denominator, you know, so that is called improper fraction. Do you understand, students? Okay, then one more question, mixed fraction. One more type, correct? Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is the sum of natural numbers and a proper fraction. ஒரு ப்ராப்பர் ஃப்ராக்ஷனோட ஒரு ஹோல் நம்பர்ஸ் இன்க்ளூட் ஆகிருந்ததுன்னா தட் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் we can call mixed fraction. For example, 2 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 is a proper fraction. How to say? Correct. Numerator is less than the denominator, correct? So that is called the proper fraction, correct? Numerator விட denominator bigga இருந்துச்சுன்னா இல்லை denominator numerator small இருந்துச்சுன்னா that structure proper fraction. So proper fraction ஓட ஒரு whole numbers add ஆயிருக்குன்னா that structure we can call mixed fraction. Okay. So now we observed 6 types of fraction. So once again you recall what is meant by fraction. Yes, fraction is a part of whole number. Correct? How to write? 2 by 3, 7 by 8, that is a fraction structure. Correct? How to identify means the numerator and denominator including, that means together to the division bar, that structure we can call fraction. Correct? So fraction how many types? We know that 6 types. That first one what? First one is a unit fraction. Unit means every time the numerator have 1 means that structure we can call unit fraction. Correct? Then next one, like fraction. Second one is a like fraction. How to say the like fraction? Correct. The denominator have same numbers means that structure we can call like fraction. Unlike fraction. Third one, unlike fraction. Unlike means different denominators have means same denominator have not like fraction. Different denominator have means unlike fraction. Unit fraction means numerator whenever we can get the numerator 1 means that structure we can call unit fraction. Okay, 3 did you understand? I think. Then fourth one, proper fraction. How to say the proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator means that structure is proper fraction. Then improper fraction. How to say? Okay, we know that improper means numerator is greater than the denominator. Otherwise, the numerator is equal to the denominator. That structure we can call improper fraction. Okay, then finally, mixed fraction means the sum of the natural numbers and the proper fraction, that is called mixed fraction. Now we want to convey how to convey mixed fraction to improper to mixed fraction. Okay, this already we know that. Just I recall that changing a mixed number into the improper fraction. Mixed fraction means whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. That structure we can call mixed fraction. Short form, that is the whole number. Whole means W, no? So first number you should take denominator first letter D. So whole numbers oda denominator product panni we want to add the numerator. Numerator, that first letter capital N. Okay, divide by, that is division bar D. D means denominator. Correct, that is a short form. W, once again you recall that W into D plus N divided by D. That is called the mixed fraction structure. Okay. Mixed fraction structure, we know that. Mixed fraction, how to convey improper. Okay, so by got that formulas, once again you recall W into D plus N divided by D. How to read? Once again, W into D plus N divided by D. Okay, that first one. 2, 1 by 3. Mixed fraction is given. How to identify the mixed fraction? Yes, correct. How to identify? Whole number added to the proper fraction, So, 2, 1 by 3. 2 is a whole number. 2 is a whole number. Then 1 is a numerator. 3 is a denominator. Correct? We know that the formulas, first of all we want to write that formulas. Then we can implement that values. Whole numbers 2, denominator 3 plus numerator 1, then divide by the denominator 3. So 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 3, that is the solution. Can you understood? Okay. One more question. 3 2 by 7. How to read mixed fractions number 3 2 by 7? First of all, we want to read that whole number 3 2 by 7. Correct? So we want to convey the improper fraction. So first of all, we can write the formulas w into d plus n divided by d. So then you identify which one whole number, which one numerator, which one denominator. Okay, then you can implement at that same place. We want to reduce, no? First of all, we reduce the bracket, So 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2, 23. That denominator as well as have. That is enough. So 3 2 by 7. We get 23 by 7. That is improper fraction. Okay. Changing an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Changing an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Improper mixed fraction convey panna porom. Correct? How to convey? For example, that first one, 15 divided by 7. So 15 divided by 7. First of all, we want to write the question. Then as well as 15 divided by 7 means we want to divide it. We know that, as well as 15, how many times I have 7? 2 times. So 2 7s are 14. 15 minus 14, 1 we get. That is the remainder, That is you highlight. Next, this is a quotient, quotient is 2. This is divisor, that is 7. Okay. Next, how to write means, this is one of the formulas. We know that quotient into remainder plus divisor. Okay. Quotient 2, then remainder 1, divisor 7. So we want to reduce means we get that improper number. Do you understood? Then one more question. 7 by 2 convey to improper fraction. So this is a improper. We want to convey changing to mixed fraction. So given numbers, first of all we want to divide, So 7 divided by 2 means we get the 3 is a quotient, 1 is a remainder, 2 is a divisor. Correct? So we know that the formulas quotient into remainder plus divisor. So we can implement that same values, that same place. We get 3 1 by 7. That is the solution. Okay. Then tomorrow homework, change into mixed fraction. First one 8 by 3, second one 25 by 7. Okay. Change into improper fraction. So 2 mixed fraction sums is given. 2 1 by 5, 3 2 by 7. Do you try to finish this homework sums? Okay students, thank you.